Hi, this is Andrew with Galloy. I wanted to do a quick demo of a feature within Blink Wallet called the Lightning Cash Register. And Lightning Cash Register is a web app point of sale. So if you have an employee and you want to have them accept Bitcoin to your business, or you want to share a link online and allow people to pay you, it's a great way to do that. So I'm in Blink. I'm going to go over to Settings, and the third item down says Ways to Get Paid. Here, first item is your Lightning address. So it's your Blink username at blink.sv. People can pay you that way. And the second one says your Lightning Cash Register. We'll go into the third as well, the pay code, as part of this demo. So you have three icons. First one opens the link in a web browser. Second copies the link to your cash register. And the third is a share, so that if you want to send to a friend, an employee, share online so people can pay you, it's a good way to do it. We're going to open the cash register in a web browser. So this opens Safari. And here's your cash register. It's a simple number pad. I can create a invoice. I can add a note. I can change the currency. So if I'm using a different unit of account, I can change the display currency there. Importantly, there's a little pin icon right here, which allows somebody that you send the link to, it shows them how they can pin this app to their home screen, or pin this page to their home screen to make it work like an app. So we're going to do that right now. Scroll down and you see the share button on the bottom. We'll tap that and select add to home screen. And I can rename this to anything I want. In this case, I'll say I work at Andrew's Tacos, and I want to have the cash register on my home screen. There it is. It works and looks like an app. And so if I'm an employee of Andrew's Tacos, I can pin that there. And when I'm working and I'm cashing somebody out who wants to pay in Bitcoin, I can just tap and get right into the cash register. So I will change this display currency to Mexican peso, and this will actually remember. So when I open it the next time, it will come back to that. Really helpful depending on which country you're in and what unit of account you're using. I can add a note and say, this is for 2 tacos. And then I can say, it'll cost you 220 sats. Create invoice. You'll see here the invoice, and I will pay that quickly from another wallet to show the full experience. And you'll see it does expire. It has a little timer. It'll say it'll expire after 5 minutes. It's plenty of time to have somebody pay. And there you go. You can also print a receipt. So if you customer needs to take a receipt with them of the purchase, there's a simple way to do that. And when you're done and you want to help another customer or create a new invoice, you just click back and you're back to the beginning. So that's that. Very easy, simple way to, if you have a small business and a couple employees, you don't always want to, well, you don't want employees to necessarily have access to your account to be able to send money out. But also, if you're not around, they need a way to accept Bitcoin on the business's behalf. So this is a great way to do it. We'll share a couple other helpful tips. So there's a navigation here in the top right within the cash register, and it has a couple other ways to get paid. So say a customer's phone, camera is broken, but they do have a Lightning wallet, they can pay to a Lightning address. So it's there. You can copy, share it, or they can just look at it and type it in. Also, we'll demo very quickly the printable pay code. So this is a LNURL QR code. And so as you saw with the invoice we created for the tacos previously, that had an expiration on it after 5 minutes. Also, it can only be paid once. But an LNURL pay code can be paid any number of times, and it does not expire. So this can be printed out and displayed near your cash register or on tables at a restaurant. It can be shared online for accepting donations. So it's a really helpful way when you need that invoice to not expire, to be able to have that. So that's it. Feel free to jump into our Telegram group, t.me/blinkbtc, or find the Blink team on Twitter at blinkbtc. Thanks.